Hello nostalgia lovers, today we're rewinding to the golden age of British gaming. The ZX Spectrum wasn't just a computer, it was a cultural movement. It didn't have the most power, didn't have the best graphics or sound, but these pixelated legends shaped our childhoods. Let's count down the top 5 ZX Spectrum games by sales and acclaim. Ready? Press play now. Attic Attack, 1983. Attic Attack dropped players into a haunted castle with one goal: escape. But not before battling ghouls, ghosts, and the occasional homicidal vegetable.
School Days, a quirky British gem where you're Eric, a schoolboy on a mission to nick his report card from the staff room safe. Get 10 lines and you're expelled and it's game over. So it's stealth, strategy, and a bit of cheeky chaos.
Night Law, 1984. Isometric graphics on a Spectrum. Night Law changed the game, literally. Saberman's quest through Castle Nightlaw was eerie, elegant, and technically groundbreaking. This one's a masterpiece. Jet Set Willy, 1984. Willy's mansion was massive, bizarre, and brutally difficult. Jet Set Willy gave us freedom to explore and frustration to match, but we kept coming back because he was brilliant. Manic Miner, 1984. The one that really started it all. Manic Miner was tight, funny, and unforgettable. From the robotic voice to the bouncing toilets, it was British gaming at its weirdest and best. Whether you played these on your rubber-keyed Spectrum or have just heard about them, these games are part of our digital heritage. Let me know your favourites. And if you want a deep dive into any of these classics, I'm game.